How to install and use. Gently tilt the machine and lay it down on the ground. Insert the support column into the slot and secure it with 2 screws. Screw the casters onto the posts. Then turn the machine around and lay it down. Follow the same steps to install the caster on the other side. Unscrew the screws on the instrument. Install 2 Y-shaped brackets on the sides of the instrument. Align the bracket with the screw holes, then tighten the screws to secure it. The other 2 brackets are installed on the opposite side of the instrument. Remove the 4 screws on the lifting arm. First, unscrew the black screws on the black cover. Then open the cover. Align with the chip interface. Align with the large screw hole. Screw the 4 large bolts into place to secure the bracket. Then align the wire connector on the bracket and plug it into the white wire connector in the middle. Finally, place the black cover on top and screw the black screws into place. Remove the 4 long screws from the laser. Align the white wire connector on the laser with the white wire connector on the bracket and insert it. Then align with the 4 screw holes and secure with long screws. A and B interfaces connect 2 flat handles. Release the latch at the rear of the instrument. Insert it, then snap the latch into place. Place the installed handle on the bracket. C and D interfaces connect 2 semi-curved handkerchiefs. Connect the power supply and turn on the power switch. Remove the black cover from the middle of the bracket arm. Loosen the 4 screws inside to adjust the angle of the support arm. After adjusting to the appropriate tension, replace the black cap. The laser plates on both sides of the laser can be opened. This interface is adjusted on the laser. Have the customer put on safety goggles. Adjust the laser to maximum power and position it directly above the treatment area. Then adjust the laser to a position 8 to 10 centimeters away from the operating site. Adjust the laser's direction so that the selected laser beam strikes the operating site, ensuring the rotating beams overlap as much as possible. At the halfway point of the set time, tap pause, adjust the laser height to its maximum, and move the laser away. Set the laser to maximum power. Have the customer turn over and lie down. Then adjust the laser to a position 8 to 10 centimeters away from the operating site. Readjust the laser angle. Tap to start. After the set time has elapsed, the instrument will automatically pause. Adjust the laser height to its maximum setting and remove the instrument. will secure the handle to your abdomen with the strap. Place the disposable heat-resistant mat on the operating area. Select 1 to 2 flat handles based on the user's body type. Buckle grips on both sides. Firm after the time has elapsed, remove the handle and unfasten the strap. Prone, the participant lay face up on the bed. Victor secured the flat handles to both sides of the hips using straps. Band tap to start. In progress. Firm after the time has elapsed, remove the handle and unfasten the strap. Floats, place disposable heat-insulating film on the curved handle. Place the curved handle beneath your leg, prone, with the curved side touching the front of your thigh. Band tap to start. In progress. Or both areas can be treated simultaneously.